routine sightseeing tour turned into a horrific tragedy when a helicopter carrying 6 people crashed into the Hudson River near New York City. Among the dead, a Spanish executive, his entire family, and the pilot. What went wrong in those final moments? This is the story of the 2025 Hudson River helicopter disaster. It was around 3:17 p.m. on Thursday, April 10, 2025. A Bell 206 helicopter, operated by New York Helicopters, had just departed from the downtown Manhattan heliport. Its mission? A simple sightseeing tour along the iconic New York skyline. But just minutes later, the aircraft disintegrated midair. "I heard this loud bang, looked up and saw parts falling from the sky," said one witness. The helicopter plummeted into the Hudson River, flipping upside down as it hit the water near Pier 40 in Lower Manhattan. Emergency crews were dispatched instantly. Sadly, it was already too late for most passengers. All 6 souls aboard the helicopter were killed in the crash. Among them, a well-known Spanish businessman, 52-year-old Agustín Escobar, the CEO of Siemens España. With him were his wife, Merce Camprubi Montal, and the 3 young children, ages 4, 5, and 11. They were visiting New York on a spring family vacation. The pilot, a 36-year-old New Yorker, was also confirmed dead at the scene. The Escobar family's loss has sent shockwaves through Spain, with Prime Minister Pedro Sánchez calling it an unimaginable tragedy. The helicopter involved was a Bell 206, built in 2004. It had a valid airworthiness certificate, cleared to fly through 2029. However, the operating company, New York Helicopters, had a history of mechanical issues and FAA citations. In the past year alone, multiple concerns were raised about their maintenance standards. Could this have been a tragedy waiting to happen? Both the Federal Aviation Administration and the National Transportation Safety Board launched full investigations within hours of the crash. Initial theories range from catastrophic mechanical failure to a possible bird strike. Witnesses claimed to see the helicopter split in half mid-air, suggesting structural failure. As of now, no official cause has been released, but the black box and recovered debris are undergoing analysis. Governor Kathy Hochul and Mayor Eric Adams expressed their condolences, promising full transparency and safety reforms in the city's tourism flight industry. In Barcelona, a memorial service is being planned to honor the Escobar family. Public outrage is growing over why this tragedy was allowed to happen. And if enough has been done to monitor private helicopter tours that operate in one of the busiest airspaces in the world. 6 lives lost in the blink of an eye, a family destroyed, a city left asking questions. As investigations continue, we remember the victims, and we demand answers. Because in the skies above our cities, safety should never be optional. Thanks for watching. For updates on this story and other breaking news, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay informed.